Road crashes are a serious concern for everyone who gets behind the wheel. And while the European Union aims for a 50% reduction by 2030, progress towards this goal has been slow. The FLEXCRASH European project takes on this challenge to transform the automotive sector. FLEXCRASH is dedicated to developing flexible and hybrid manufacturing technology that produces crash-tolerant vehicle structures. At FLEXCRASH, our focus is on designing safer vehicle structures by locally reinforcing critical areas in a crash event. This approach increases passenger safety and reduces fatalities across a wide range of crash conditions. By seamlessly integrating high-strength green aluminum alloys into its car structures, FLEXCRASH achieves both lightweight and sustainable chassis, maintaining their impact resistance and minimizing their environmental footprint. To ensure that FLEXCRASH structures meet the safety needs of current and future mobility, they will undergo rigorous testing, which includes advanced material models, different crash scenarios, and virtual testing. An initiative supporting the EU long-term goals on zero emissions mobility, reduction in injuries and fatalities due to crashes, towards safer and lighter crash structures. The FLEXCRASH project has received funding from the Horizon Europe program under Grant Agreement number 101069674.